The project manager calmed everyone down before the presentation and the team delivered perfectly. I was completely overwhelmed before the interview. Then my best friend called me and helped me calm down. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb calm down. Calm down means to become less stressed, anxious, or emotional, or to help someone else reach that state. In a professional context, it's one of the most valuable skills a leader can have. When a team is under pressure, when a client is frustrated, or when a deadline is closing in, the person who stays calm and helps others calm down is the one people trust. It's not about ignoring the problem. It is about creating the right mindset to solve it. In everyday life, we calm down after a stressful day, after an argument, or before a big moment. And sometimes, the most important thing a friend can do is simply help you calm down when everything feels like too much. Now that you understand the core meaning of calm down, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Let's see calm down in action. Example 1. The team leader calmed everyone down before the client call and the meeting went smoothly. Example 2. After the system crashed, the IT manager stayed calm and helped the entire department calm down and refocus. Example 3. She took a few deep breaths, calmed down, and walked into the interview with full confidence. Example 4. My dad always knows exactly what to say to calm me down when things get stressful.
Subscribe.
Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using calm down. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.